Okay, this is another simple experiment to understand how molecules are formed from atoms. Of course, this is more of an activity than a game. It's an interactive activity. It lets the child learn by doing. So there are prompts here as usual. I am in the full screen mode, so it asks me to drag two chemical bonds. Um, okay, apparently I need to drag two different types. Okay. Now I need to arrange the hydrogen atoms at the two open ends of the wheel. Let me see what happens when I try placing it elsewhere. It doesn't accept. Okay. Now I need to place the oxygen atom. Great. Once I did that, it says I can erase the bonds out of the grid by dragging them out, or I can just submit. Okay, so here I haven't finished all the steps, so I need to finish it. So I'll put the hydrogen atom back and submit. That's right. So now it asks me to make another carbon dioxide molecule. So the child need to research. We have the theory section. And so he or she can study or read the story or the infographic there to understand how these molecules are formed. That knowledge will help them here. So let me form a CO2 molecule just like I did with the water molecule. So I have placed the carbon into oxygen atoms and the bonds. Of course, we are not getting into double bonds and triple bonds here. Whatever bond it is, we are simply representing it as a bond. The sixth standard child only needs to know till that length. I click OK. Oh, it's wrong. So what's wrong? So maybe the carbon atom, the bond is 180 degrees in the carbon dioxide molecule and not the 90 degrees or not the great. So okay, great. Now that's right. It has accepted it. So now I similarly need to make a molecule of ozone. Please note that as long as the shape is correct, uh, any orientation is accepted. You can arrange these anywhere in the grid and submit it to get the right answer. Awesome. Now this is the final one, the oxygen atom. Let me place it here and see if it accepts. Yes, it does. So I can again take the quiz or play the game again to better my score or to practice. As always, I got the diamond because I finished the game without losing more than 2 lives. Had I lost more lives, I wouldn't have earned the diamond. So even here, the learning objective that we push through is that a molecule or a compound is made of more atoms that come together, and we have demonstrated how the most common molecules the child sees around him or her in day-to-day life are formed: water, carbon dioxide, ozone, and oxygen.